In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view account history in QuickBooks, a vital skill for managing your business's financial records effectively. Whether you're brand new to QuickBooks or just in need of a quick refresher, you're certainly in the right place. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring you comprehend every detail so that you can access and manage your check register with complete confidence. To get started, make sure you're logged in to your QuickBooks account. Ready? Great. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see a variety of options here, but for this task, we're going to focus on the Transactions tab. Clicking on the Transactions tab takes you into the core of QuickBooks, where all your crucial financial records are organized. In this tab, you'll find everything from your sales and expenses to much more. It's essentially the central hub for tracking every financial move your business makes. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is an indispensable financial organizational tool in QuickBooks. It's essentially a comprehensive listing of every account and balance within your system, offering a clear view of your business's financial standing. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, scan the list to find the specific account you'd like to review. This could be your checking account or any other relevant account that's associated with the transactions you wish to examine. Once you've pinpointed the appropriate account, go ahead and click on Account History. This action will open up the register for the selected account, providing a detailed glimpse into all recent activity. In the check register, you'll have some flexibility to manage your financial data effectively. For instance, you can add new transactions to the account. This ensures that every financial activity, no matter how minor, is captured accurately in your records. You might also find yourself needing to edit existing transactions if adjustments or corrections are necessary. And of course, you can just view the transactions to review essential details like dates, amounts, and descriptions, confirming that everything aligns correctly. By following these steps, you'll gain straightforward access to your check register in QuickBooks Online, which is a valuable tool for maintaining clear and accurate records of your financial transactions. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't hesitate to explore other features within QuickBooks. There are plenty of tools and resources available that can further enhance your financial management skills. Keep learning and keep managing your business efficiently.